remarkable not to draw parallels between this, the biggest of Amazon's tablets, and Apple's 339-pound iPad. There are a couple of feature changes for the new Fire HD 10, which comes in 3 hues: dark, marine blue, and punch red. It now includes another full HD show gloating 224 ppi rather than its antecedent's 149 ppi. That is still not in an indistinguishable class from more costly tablets available. However, as with everything to do with Amazon's equipment, the spec list should be considered nearby the cost. A significant part of the particular is, on paper, comparable to numerous opponents. There's another quad-center processor with referred to execution of 30% more than the past model and double the RAM for good measure. Capacity has likewise been enhanced, up from 16 GB to 32 or 64 GB. There's still MicroSD bolster, while there's the kind endowment of free boundless distributed storage for all Amazon content and photographs taken with Fire tablets. Again, there's 10 hours of battery life referred to. We have around 8 to 10 hours on our cycles so far, relying upon how much spilling video we've viewed. In spite of numerous different makers playing Judas on Amazon fueled tablets, Amazon isn't and is offering better equipment at always sensible costs. The arrangement is that Amazon needs you to be instilled into its Prime, Kindle and Audible biological community. In any case, we would suggest you decide on the £10 more costly form of the tablet that expels the uncommon offers. These exceptional offers basically simply transform the screensaver into a steady advertisement for new applications. It's not so terrible, but rather it's a client encounter that is likened to the bloatware that used to fly up wherever on Windows. Here's your new PC that will loaded with poop you don't need. The Fire advertisements aren't that awful, and a portion of the offers are applications you'll need. Be that as it may, despite everything, it exacerbates the experience despite the fact that there is zero execution hit. One territory where the HD 10 has been downsized is in its back confronting camera, lessened from 5MP to a shockingly awful 2MP. Apparently this is a cost-sparing measure, yet it is a stumble on the grounds that the nature of the created pictures are typically normal. The genuine encounter of taking a photo is powerless. We likewise had rehash offers even after we had downloaded the applications being referred to. The double speakers are genuinely average for a tablet, yet rather than simply being Dolby marked, it is called Dolby Atmos sound in the showcasing materials. The Atmos marking isn't on the case, however, unusually. This is very odd when you consider the cost and sound nature of numerous Dolby Atmos soundbars and AVRs. The consideration of Alexa in more gadgets is, obviously, welcome, and she is her standard self here in the event that you have an Amazon Echo or Echo Dot. As of now, the change to utilizing Alexa on the Fire HD 10 will be entirely consistent. As ever, Fire OS is greatly Amazon-driven, however it is extremely easy to utilize, despite the fact that you truly do require Amazon Prime to influence it to sing. You're ready to get to more data utilizing X-Ray. Such an extensive amount. Amazon's equipment is focused around the substance on offer, and the introduction is regularly clear. The Amazon Fire for Kids application is incorporated, and you are offered to set up a client represent any youngsters in your family.